So you are playing against your own local team.
It's great. I'm excited, feeling good, and looking forward to the match because a full stadium and obviously full stadium because all the stickers are sold out tickets. I hope we can perform well and get a good result from here.
How do you rate the opponent?
Yeah.
How do you rate? How do you see the opponent?
They are good. They're playing good. As coach says, they are playing good. They are a good team, and it will not be easy for them, and it will not be easy for us as well. So we have to fight for it.
Will you be thinking about coming back to Shillong Lajong?
For now, I'm here, so I cannot say about the future. Nobody knows about the future, so I'm here.
Okay, how was the performance of Northeast United over the matches?
We have been doing good so far, and I'm expecting we keep continuing with the same work that we did on the previous matches, and we keep going forward one step at a time.
So, in mind and spirit, you are with the Northeast United, though locally you are
at the end of the day, you'll present who you are playing for in the front of the badge on the front. So tomorrow I'm representing Northeast. With Lajong, it's done in 2018. So now I'm all Northeast United, so I'll be representing Northeast.
So any sentiments for the Shillong Lajong? Sentiments. Yeah. Any sentiments, feelings for Shillong Lajong?
In the field, it's a war between us. On the field, for those 90 minutes, it's a war. So that's football how it is.